From north to south, from east to west, Madagascar is one of the preferred travel destinations for endemic flora and fauna enthusiasts. The big island can boast with unique assets that make the visitor's stay unforgettable. Located off the southeastern coast of Africa, Madagascar is bordered with small islands, including that of Nosy Be. Also known as the perfumed island because of the exotic fragrance from its ylang and spice plantations, Nosy Be is an island of dreams and adventures where you will be able to participate in a bunch of activities and enjoy amazingly beautiful beaches and endemic species. Ravinala Airports, as the Nosy Be Airport managing company and a major player in Madagascar's tourism industry development, has committed to building infrastructures in line with international standards that provide services meeting the airport users' expectations. 80% of the work was focused on repairing the runway with a length of 2,230 meters to enable jumbo jets to land at Nosy Be Island. The other work was to refurbish or provide the airport with 2 restaurant areas called Cozy Cafe, made in Madagascar souvenir shops, 1 automated telemachine, complying and refurbishing of the existing terminal, new business development project, construction of awnings on city side and runway side, state-of-the-art IT equipment for passenger processing, and refurbishing of the VIP lounge. Ravinala Airports aspires to be the greenest airport in the Indian Ocean. To achieve this, they have taken the following actions: install solar panels to provide lighting for the parking lot, develop a solar farm project that will generate up to 100% of the power needed by the airport. An effluent treatment station and incineration plant are now operational. The quality of air, water, and ground is reviewed on a regular basis. A biodiversity conservation program is currently being rolled out, like restoring mangroves and degraded forests in the island, and ecological monitoring of Madagascar's bald-headed eagle. More than just an airport manager, Ravinala Airports also contributes to Madagascar's economic development. At Ravinala Airports, we believe that air transportation needs to engage all stakeholders. That is why we are working with the Ministry of Transport, Tourism and Meteorology of Madagascar, the Civil Aviation, the Tourism Confederation, the Economic Development Board of Madagascar, the Association of Local Tour Operators, the National Tourist Office, the World Bank and the National Airline, and all tourism and aviation stakeholders to develop joint strategies for the growth of Madagascar's tourism industry. Ravinala Airports is also involved in the fight against COVID-19 and has provided the Nosy Be Hospital with 2 ventilators, 17 oxygen concentrators, and other equipment to build the hospital's capacity. Tourists can safely embark on their adventure once they land at the airport, because health measures to protect them and airport staff are available. Disinfection booth, social distancing, hand sanitizers, thermal cameras, PCR testing, regular disinfection of the airport. Nosy Be Airport's doors are open to you, so you will discover an island paradise, the Nosy Be Islands. An amazing stay is waiting for you right there after landing. Welcome to Madagascar.